how you can use your Agaro Supreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Before using the device for the first time, charge it completely. This would take around 5 hours. This vacuum cleaner is for dry waste only. Avoid using it to vacuum and clean any wet, sticky, and liquid wastes. You can use the device as a handheld unit and also with the extension stick. Start by attaching the different brush heads to the main unit as per your cleaning requirement. You can increase reach by attaching the extension stick to the main unit until it clicks into place. Next, attach the motorized floor brush to the other end of the stick. Ensure the battery is properly connected before switching on. Press the power button once to start. You can switch between 3 suction modes: low, medium, and high, as per your cleaning need. Low mode gives up to 45 minutes of cordless usage, marked by blue. Medium mode gives up to 20 minutes of cordless usage, marked by purple. High mode gives up to 8 minutes of cordless usage, marked by red. You can press the trigger button once to start vacuuming. No need to long press or keep holding the trigger button. To stop vacuuming, simply press the trigger button again. The flexible brush head turns 270 degrees and cleans floors and carpets with ease. The LED light helps you see hidden dust under furniture. Use the crevice nozzle for narrow edges and tight corners, like sofa corners and window channels. Attach the 2-in-1 multi-purpose brush to clean sofas, cushions, and curtains. You can even clean keyboards, drawers, and cabinets too. This can be used with and without the bristle head, helping clean textured surfaces. Use the mattress brush for mattresses and rugs. You can clean other upholstery too with this brush. The seesaw mouth helps to clean curved sofa corners better. You can use the vacuum cleaner in handheld mode for compact spaces. All the brush heads can be attached to the handheld unit directly, except the floor and carpet brush. You can know the battery status by checking the number of lights on the battery. For example, 3 lights mean a fully charged battery. When the battery runs low, connect the charger to the port on the main unit. Always use the provided charger. The unit takes about 5 hours to fully charge. Once fully charged, your vacuum is ready for up to 45 minutes of cordless cleaning. Using your Agaro Supreme is that simple. Clean smart, clean easy.